Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will learn Surah al-Nashrah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alam nashrah laka sadrak wa badana anka wizrak allazi ankada zahrak wa rafa'na laka zikrak فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. So it is Surah al-Nashrah and Surah number 94. So it has only 8 ayat. But it has too much blessings of Allah. If you read every day this surah with Durood or Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the beginning and at the end, so you will get so many blessings of Allah and goodness in your life. Every day will become peaceful for you. And if you read this one and blow on your field where you are growing crops or vegetables or fruits, so inshallah they will grow better. So same like that, if you are trying to learn something by heart and it is very difficult it is not going into heart, but you are not memorizing that one, you are feeling so much trouble in that one. So then you have to read Surah al-Nashrah 11 times, start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then you have to blow that one on water and drink that water. So inshallah your memory power will be increased. Same like that, if your children, if they are weak in learning or their memory is not becoming sharp, so you have to read Surah al-Nashrah 11 times every day, start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then blow on water and drink, give the water to your children to drink. Inshallah their memory power will be increased. Similarly, you have seen sometime the children when go to sit in the examination hall, they become nervous. And then there is the thing like whatever they have in their mind, so that forgot. So that time, if before going to the exam hall, if you read on water 11 times Surah al-Nashrah, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and blow on water and then give this water to drink to your children. When the children will go sit in examination hall, so they will not become nervous and their work will be smooth and they will get the smooth learning or smooth answering the questions, and they will get good marks inshallah. So same like that, sometimes you can feel some people who are ill and illness is not becoming better and diseases is going worse and worse with the passage of time. So that time you try to read Surah al-Nashrah 100 times, start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and blow on water and give this water to drink to the person who is ill, whose disease or illness is increasing with the passage of time. So inshallah you give the water, this one, up to at least 11 days. So inshallah that person will become better and you will see the health of that person, you will feel it, the difference inshallah. Same like that, if you are in a difficult situation like in your life, now you feel that you have some problem now and you are in difficult situation and that difficult situation is not becoming easy for you, so you want to make it easy, then you start reading Surah al-Nashrah, start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Read at least 7 times and blow on yourself. Inshallah your your difficulty will finish. So same like that, if like you feel you have to do some work or something, some job or something you have to do, but it seems very difficult, you feel that it look like impossible, but what can you do? Read Surah Nashrah, so at least 11 times, and blow on water, drink that one, and then start doing the work. Inshallah, that will become easy for you. Same like that, if some people who are having the position of financial position is not good, so they are poor people and they are becoming more poor with the passage of time. So if they start reading Surah Nashrah, blow on water, at least they must read it 21 times, and start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and drink the water and drink the whole family. Then inshallah, whole family will feel good food and good things will come to them, and inshallah Allah's blessings will fall also. Similarly, if a person who is failing again and again in test, maybe driving test or maybe test like an exam of any person, any exam, any test, the person is failing again and again, so there is no chance now feel this person will not be in a position to get the pass or success in that test. So then start reading Surah Nashrah at least 100 times, and start and end with Durood Salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then blow on water and drink that water, inshallah. So when you will go to do the test, your memory power will work, and the answers will be those one which the questions will be those one whose answers will be in your mind, inshallah, and you will feel easy, everything good. Same like that, so everything in your life becomes easy if you start reading Surah Nashrah at least 11 times in every day. So inshallah, and also it will make the love affection to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and inshallah you will feel goodness and peace of mind in your life. Allah gave us tawfiq, and we have to try your best. You have to try your best to read Surah Nashrah. Inshallah, you will feel this life and life hereafter more better. Inshallah.